From event blocks, get the block when green flag clicked. From control blocks, get the block forever. From control blocks, get the block wait 1 second. From look blocks, get the block hide. From motion blocks, get the block turn right 15 degrees and change to turn right 90 degrees. From motion blocks, get the block move 10 steps and change to move 100 steps. From control blocks, get the block wait 1 second. From look blocks, get the block show. Click for full screen view. Click the green flag to operate the program.